show you the ultimate egg sandwich. Hey, Chef Dez coming at you from my kitchen again, and we're gonna make, the ultimate egg sandwich. Wait till you see how cool the process is. This is just amazing, and you're gonna wanna make this for lunch, dinner, whenever you can. The first thing we're gonna do is we're going to beat 3 lovely BC eggs. Always remember, every single large BC egg has 14 key nutrients, all 9 essential amino acids, over 6 grams of the highest quality protein you can get, and 1 large egg, it's only 80 calories. So let's take 3 of these beautiful BC eggs and we're going to beat them. You might think that's a lot, 3 eggs for 1 sandwich, but it works. And I'm telling you, it's amazing. And what a great way to introduce a lot of great nutrition in a sandwich for you by using lovely BC eggs. So there's 2, there's 3, and just take a whisk and we're just gonna beat these up thoroughly. This recipe is also really quick too. So you'll find it's very convenient, fun to make, and one of the best tasting sandwiches you'll ever have. Let's head over to the stovetop. All right, the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna use a non-stick pan. It just makes it a lot easier. We'll turn on the heat, medium heat, and we're just gonna take a little bit of butter and put in the pan. Once that butter starts melting, we're just gonna take a little pastry brush and just coat the bottom of the pan. Again, it just makes this sandwich a little bit easier to flip. You'll see what I mean really soon, but it is just so cool. And once that butter is all over the pan, we're gonna take our lovely BC egg mixture and pour it in there. Make sure you get it all out. And then right away, we're gonna take a couple of slices of sandwich bread, place them in there, let them soak up just for a second, flip them over, and let that cook now. What we're doing is we're waiting for this to completely set. All these eggs are gonna set like you're making a large omelet. And then once they're set, we're gonna reach underneath there and flip the whole thing over. While we're waiting for this to set, and again, it's on medium heat, we're just gonna take a little bit of salt and pepper. Remember, the eggs have not been seasoned yet, so just a little sprinkling of salt, fresh cracked pepper. You can put on the bread too. And what we're waiting for this to be completely set. If I shake the pan, you'll see it's not set here yet. This side is. Don't try and flip this until the eggs are completely set, otherwise you're gonna have a bit of a mess. We're almost there. All right, so what I do is take a little spatula, make sure it's all loosened around the edge of the pan, and it is. We can tell by doing this as well that it's completely set up and firm. Then we're gonna get underneath. Try and get underneath both pieces of bread. And 1, 2, 3, flip it like that. Okay, we're gonna cook it on this side just for a little bit. And then what we do is we flip the sides over like that and like that. And we're gonna start building our sandwich now while it's still in the pan. So remember, we have 1 piece here, 1 piece there. And I also forgot to tell you that we put the bottom pieces of the bread, the bottom of the slices matching together so we can fold it up to make a perfect sandwich. And while that egg is nice and hot, we're gonna get some nice Swiss cheese. You can do whatever you want to fill the sandwich. It's just a suggestion what I'm doing today. I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of mayo and ketchup mixture. You're making a sandwich, so what do you would normally put on a sandwich, right? And it's just gonna be extra protein with the beautiful BC eggs in there. I got some ham. I'm gonna do some spinach just to get some green in there, add to the nutrition of the sandwich. We also have this on the heat the whole time, that medium heat still. And we're gonna take that 1 part of the sandwich, the 1 piece of bread, and flip it over onto the other side. And we'll just leave it in the pan like that for a bit. We'll flip it over. We wanna cook it now enough for that cheese to melt. And it's gonna be just ooey gooey good when we cut into it. So the odd time, I'll just flip it back and forth. You can see just how beautiful this is gonna be with the egg in there. It's gonna be an amazing sandwich. And you can check, you can sort of lift up the egg, make sure that the cheese is melting. You can see it there. We're gonna let it go just a little bit longer. All right, oh, beautiful. Let's check it. Awesome, let's take it off. Bang off the heat. Let's go back to the countertop. Here's this beautiful sandwich. Wait till you see this. You could eat it whole if you wanted to, but I can do the cross section. look at that. That is an incredible sandwich. So quick and easy, and awesome nutrition. What a great way to celebrate BC eggs. Make sure you're checking out the website, bcegg.com, for a whole bunch of other great recipes, tips, and tricks. And this is Chef Dez signing out. Where are you getting your protein from?